Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So the topic we are going to discuss today is about how to add image on your web page. First of all, you have to open the Visual Studio Code and create index file in selected folder, as I am doing. After creating the file, if you want HTML format, you just have to hold Shift or press 1. You will get this exclamation mark. Now you have to press Enter, so you will get the whole structure of HTML, as here you can see on your screen. Now you have to press H1 for the heading, so you will get the syntax of heading. Now type the text between this syntax, which you want as a heading. Let example, we type the word desert for the first heading. After pressing Ctrl+S, we can view it on a web page as a heading. Now we will use letter P, or press Enter to get the syntax for the paragraph. We type anything between this syntax, we will get it in form of paragraph. As I can type pick of my hand. Now I want to move to the next line, so I will use the syntax BR to move to the next line. After pressing BR, we can type in desert in next line. Or after saving, we can see here on the browser that our text is splitted into 2 lines. Now here we get the heading or subheading. So we have to upload image related to the topic I have here on my desktop. So if we want to place that image on web page, we have 2 different methods. First, you have to go to the browser and search for the related image you want. As you can see here, we have the pic. We have to right-click on it and open it in a new tab. Now we have the link of that pic. We have to copy this link and paste it in Visual Studio Code. Type the text IMG to get the syntax and paste the link here. After saving here, you can see the changes that we got image on our web page. In this method, you have to paste image in that folder where HTML file web page is placed. Like here, we have pic on desktop. We copy this image and paste it inside this index folder with any name. Now we will go to the Visual Studio Code, as here you can see that IMG. Type the syntax to upload the image and select that image. Or save it so you can see it on web page. As you can see, the image looks bigger. If you want to create changes with the size of image, so what you have to do, go to Visual Studio Code and type style after the title before the head. Now type img curly brackets between this. Type he height between the brackets, or size. Let example, I am taking 500 pixels. After pressing enter, same as width, we take it as 600 pixels. Now we save it or go to the web page. So here you can see the change, our image is resized.